Welcome back. Let's do question 1P3. In a school, learners were surveyed about the time they spent on the internet over the weekend. The results were displayed by a box and whisker plot as shown below. Now, one of the learners was not included in the data represented in the box and whisker plot above. If the learner spent 10 hours on the internet over the weekend, then determine whether the learner is an outlier or not. Right, how do we find outliers? We use this formula, but there are two of them actually. Okay, this one is the upper fence. Right, and then we have also the lower fence. The lower fence is Q1 minus 1,5 times interquarter range. IQR is the interquarter range. Then you get what? You get the lower fence. Right. So if the data item is above the upper fence, then it is an outlier. And then if the data value is below the lower fence, then it is an outlier. Okay, so 10 hours, we're going to use the upper fence. Q3 is 6. Q3 is 6. This is Q3. This is Q2. This is Q1. So it's going to be 6 plus 1,5 times the interquarter range is 6 minus 2, Q3 minus Q1, which is 4. Then it's going to be 6 plus 1,5 times 4, that is 6. So that's 12. So it means the upper fence will be 12. So it's above, it's even above 9 there and above 10. The upper fence is going to be 12 here. And then this learner spent 10 hours. So 10 hours is somewhere here, which means it is below the upper fence. So the learner is what? Is not an outlier. Therefore, the learner is not an outlier.